Hello, and I welcome my very honorable and very sweet guests to their own channel, Ruma's Classes. Today we are going to learn about conjunctions and coordinating conjunctions and all. So, conjunctions are the joining words or the linking words. They are used to join two or more words or sentences. Example, I love toffees, I love ice creams. Now the new sentence that can be framed using one conjunction and is a sentence like I love toffees and ice creams. Here what I have done, I have copied I love just once, and the second time I love has been removed and replaced by the conjunction and. Kind of conjunctions, there are three kinds. Coordinating conjunctions, they join two words, group of words or sentences with equal importance. Subordinating conjunctions, they join two statements, one of which is dependent on the other. That means one of them is dependent sentence and the another one is an independent sentence. Correlative conjunctions are the words always used in pairs. We will learn all these in this video. Coordinating conjunctions. For, we have taken the word F from this and we have taken A, nor we've taken N, but we've taken B, or we've taken O, yet Y, so S. So this is a short form of coordinating conjunctions called as fanboys. There are many other acronyms for this, but this is the most suitable one and which can be easily remembered. So fanboys is one way to remember coordinating conjunctions. Now let's come to know what do these mean. For means reason. Means we attach for wherever we have a reason to do some task given as the latter part of the sentence. And obviously it joins two words, two similar words or two similar sentences having equal importance, that is addition. Nor means adding negation. But means contrast, means the latter part of the sentence or the first part of the sentence may be very different from the other one. Or we have an option or choice here. But again contrasting, and so gives a result. But a particular task was done because the initial was saying something. Now let's see uses of these coordinating conjunctions, that is fanboys. For, that is reason. I went with him for I believed what he said. And he drinks coffee for he doesn't like tea. And as I said addition earlier, you and I can go together means it is an addition that two people. He opened the door and found the princess. Nor adding negation. Neither Jane nor her brother are good at studies. She has neither done the dishes nor the laundry, means adding negation to it. More uses of fanboys are but, that is, as I told you, contrasting. Vinny is 75 but goes swimming every day, means these are contrasting. He is drinking coffee but likes tea. Or we have optional choice here. I will eat a burger or a pizza. Which color do you like, red or blue? Here we have choice. Yet, that means but. Jimmy plays cricket well, yet his favorite sport is tennis. The weather is cold, yet bright and sunny. So these are two contrasting sentences. Last one is so, that is the result. You are tired now, so you must rest. I was hungry, so I made a sandwich to eat. This is the result of the first action. Other conjunctions that are although, otherwise, though, while, as, since, unless, whether, because, still, until, else, if, that, when, instead of, therefore, whereas. These can be called as subordinating conjunctions as they join two statements, one of might be dependent on the other one. And the last part is the correlative conjunctions that are always used in pairs. That is either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or, etc. So this is all in conjunction from me. Any doubts you have, please write in the comment box. I will reply. And if you like the video, please share and press the like button, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.